In this SAM, they have given front view and side view, and we need to draw top view. Now first, we will relate surfaces. If you see, this is circle and we have a rectangle. So when you draw in the top view, when you see from the top, you will see this part first. So first we will draw this rectangle. We project from here. So we'll get this rectangle. See this is first part, right? And we have a circle inside this and dotted so that we can draw afterwards. Then after that, we have this part, which is slope. See, incline in one part and rectangle in another view. So third view will have rectangle. So when you project, see from here and here, so you'll get like this. So when you project from top, see from this point, you have to show a slight curve outside. This won't be dark because this is 1 unit only. This will be dark, and this is with this rectangle, right? Then we have a circle which is going through and through, so that we can draw when you project from here. Now after this, we will see third part, that is this slope. See this rectangle. So when you project from here and you project from here, so you get this part. Right? After that, fourth part, that is this rectangle, this circle. So this entire part will be done. Now we have one more circle inside this, which is going through and through. So that also we can project. After that, if you see this slot, which is through and through, right? This slot. So we'll get dot line for that also. And it will coincide with this outside part. Why? Because both the dimensions are 10. Now after this, we need to draw one more part, that is intersection of a rib. If you have seen the previous sum, this is what I was talking about. When you see this rib is merging with this part, especially this part, you won't be able to see from the top, this part. So that you can see as a T shape. Now see in this part, you need to extend this part. So you'll be able to see this T shape. I can show you this. So this is your rectangle, this is your rib, and it is like this. So remember that whenever you have more than one rib, they will 99% they will meet internally. Either they will form a T shape or a plus or a C shape. So over here they are forming a T shape, right? See this. So this is top view. Now we will draw sectional side view along AA. See this. It is passing through this. So when you cut from here, this will become dark. This is getting cut, dark. This is getting cut, dark. This. Here there will be hatching because of this. There won't be any hatching. There won't be any hatching. This part will be also hatched. Now one important question, when you see from here, this part you can see, so that part will be dark. This part will be dark, but you won't be able to see any hatching over here. You won't be able to see any hatching. This will be clean as like this. There won't be any section over here. Same way over here also, there won't be any section. You cut like this part is getting cut, so hatch will be here. There will be hatching over here. There is no material is getting cut, so there won't be any hatching. This is getting cut, so hatching. Again, if you see, there are two ribs, rib 1, rib 2. Rib 1 is getting cut parallel, rib 2 is getting cut perpendicular. So we will draw hatching in the perpendicular one. And always remember, the rib with the minimum area will get hatched first. So we will hatch this. This part is getting cut. Over here there is no cutting. So it will be just a plain dark line because we can see this part after cutting. Over here there won't be any hatching. In this lower portion, this will be hatched.